Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So again we are here with a new problem, that is the equation of tangent line to the curve at this given point. So here we can see this function is given. This is an ellipse, that is x square upon a square y square upon b square is equal to 1. If we will just take out this whole to the left hand side, then this will become the equation of the ellipse, and here the point is also given. So at this point we have to find the equation of tangent line. So we know that to find the equation of tangent line we need two things. That is, first thing we need is slope of the tangent line, and the second thing the point through which the tangent line passes. So the point here is given is 1, 1, but the slope is not given. Instead of slope, this curve is given. So to find the slope we have to use this curve. To find the slope, we have to differentiate this function with respect to x both sides. Then we will obtain this equation, that is 2x divided by 7 plus 2y y dash divided by 6, and this constant term, if we will differentiate with respect to it, then here we will get 0. So if we will solve this equation, then y dash divided by 3 is equal to minus 2x divided by 7. So if we will solve in terms of y dash, then we will easily get the slope. So it will become minus 6 divided by 7 and x divided by y. So here in this question the value of x given is 1 and y given is 1. So slope of the tangent at y is equal to 1. To find the slope dy by dx at this point P, that is 1, 1, we have to just substitute the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 here. So what we will write here, minus 6 divided by 7 and 1 divided by 1. So the value of the slope will be minus 6 divided by 7. So now we can easily obtain the equation of tangent line, that is point slope form. The equation of y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is the point P through which the tangent line passes. So if we will replace the value, and this is the value of m. So if we will replace the values in the left equation, y minus 1 minus 6 divided by 7, and then here x minus 1. If we will solve this, so tangent line equation, tangent line then is equal to minus 6 divided by 7x, 6 divided by 7x. This will become 6 divided by 7 and this will become 1. So the equation will become y is equal to minus 6x divided by 7 plus 13 divided by 7. So this is the equation so this is the final answer of equation of the tangent line. If you like to ask such more questions, then please write your doubt in comment section below or visit our website doubtlet.com to post your doubts. We also provide the homework help and assignment help for the students. Thank you very much. Please like this video and share it with your friends so that they can also learn these type of solutions.